Module 1, Lesson 18. All right, check your sprint A. Press pause while you're checking. Once you're done, press play again. Write your number correct up here. And now look at sprint B. Press pause while you're checking. Once you're done, write your number correct here. And then take your number on sprint B and subtract the number you got on sprint A and write the rate of improvement here. Now let's check our problem set. All right, so 8 times 10, we're going to break it down. 8 tens and 5 tens. So if we take 8 minus 5, what do we get? Right, 3. So this would be 3 tens. 5 tens plus 3 tens equals 8 tens. Or 5 times 10 plus 3 times 10 equals 8 times 10. So 50, we get 50 from 5 times 10. And 3 times 10 equals 30. So 50 plus 30 equals 80. Or 8 times 10 equals 80. So we'll write that there and up on top. Now we have 7 fours. If we take 7 and minus 5, what do we have? Right, 2. So this would be 2 fours. 5 fours plus 2 fours equals 7 fours. 5 times 4, that's the 5 fours, plus 2 times 4 is from our 2 fours equals 7 times 4. And 5 times 4 equals 20, so that's why we see that here. And 2 times 4 equals, what does 2 times 4 equal? Right, 8. So 20 plus 8 equals 28. So 7 times 4 equals 28. So we'll write that there and up on top. 9 times 10 equals, well, let's break it apart. No. So if we have 9 and we subtract 5, what do we have? 4. So this would be 4 times 10. So 5 tens plus 4 tens equals 9 tens. 5 times 10, that's what we have here. 5 tens is 5 times 10. Plus 4 tens is 4 times 10 equals 9 times 10. What does 5 times 10 equal? Right, 50. What does 4 times 10 equal? Right, 40. 50 plus 40 equals 90. 9 times 10 equals 90. All right, 10 times 10. Let's break it apart. Let's do 5 times 10 and 5 times 10. That's nice and easy, right? So 5 tens plus 5 tens equals 10 tens, right? So 5 times 10 plus 5 times 10 equals 10 times 10. And 5 times 10 equals 50. 5 times 10 equals 50. 50 plus 50 equals 100. So 10 times 10 equals 100. We'll write it there and we'll write it on top. Good job, 3rd grade. All right, now let's look at the back. There are 7 teams in the soccer tournament. 10 children play on each team. How many children are playing in the tournament? Use the break apart and distribute strategy and draw a number bond to solve. All right, so here we have 7 teams, right? And there's 10 on each team. Why don't we do 5? That's always easy to work. 5 times 10. So if we have 7 minus 5, what do we get? Right, 2. So the other group would be 2 times 10. All right, so we know 5 times 10 plus 2 times 10 equals 7 times 10. And 5 times 10 equals 50. Plus 2 times 10 equals 20. And that equals 70. Or 7 times 10 equals 70. There are 70 children playing in the tournament. What is the total number of sides on a triangle? Well, on 8 triangles, I'm sorry. So I know we have 8 triangles. And how many sides does a triangle have? Right, 3. So 8 times 3 equals something. I always like working with 5 because it's easy. I can do my count by 5s really quickly. So I'll do 5 times 3 And if I do 8 minus 5, what do I have left? Right, 3. So 3 times 3 would be my other grouping. Because here's my triangle, right? And it has 3 sides. So I can say 5 times 3 plus 3 times 3 equals, 8 times 3. And then 5 times 3 equals 15. And 3 times 3 equals 9. So 15 plus 9 equals 24. Or 8 times 3 equals 24. There are 24 sides on 8 triangles. All right, 7. There are 12 rows of bottled drinks in the vending machine. Each row has 10 bottles. How many bottles are in the vending machine? Ooh, this one's a little trickier. So 12 times 10 is our big one. Since our number is over 10, I'm going to do my first group as a 10 times 10. And if I take 12 and minus 10, what do I have left? Right, 2. So it's going to be 2 times 10. So 10 times 10 plus 2 times 10 equals 12 times 10, right? And 10 times 10 equals 100. And 2 times 10 equals 20. And so now we have 120. 12 times 10 equals 120. There are 120 bottles in the vending machine. All right, now press pause while you do your exit ticket, and then go ahead and press play once you're done to check it. Dylan used the break apart and distribute strategy to solve a multiplication problem. Look at his work below. Write the multiplication problem Dylan solved and complete the number bond. All right, so we have 5 times 4 over here. So then this would mean the other circle is the 1 times 4. What is 5 plus 1 equal? Right, 6. So up here would be 6 times 4. So 6 times 4. And what does 6 times 4 equal? It gives us the answer right here, 24. All right, don't forget to do your homework pages and submit them in